Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through creating your own Solana meme coin for free. This is my today's earning. I'll also show you how to attract buyers and how to withdraw all the Solana tokens from the liquidity pool directly into your wallet. This entire process takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's straightforward. The Solana meme coin market is very active and crowded. New meme coins are being created every few seconds, which makes it a fast-paced and competitive environment. When you launch a new coin, within just 30 seconds, it may be overshadowed by 10 or more new coins. This high level of activity creates a challenging space for any new token to get noticed and gain traction. I will guide you through the entire process of launching a meme coin. In this video, I'll explain step by step how to create a successful meme coin, from the initial creation to attracting buyers and managing liquidity. By following these steps, you can launch your own meme coin confidently and efficiently. I found this token creator called tokenclub.fun. Creating your own crypto coin has never been easier thanks to tokenclub.fun. With no coding required and no technical headaches, you can launch your dream token in just minutes. Tokenclub.fun empowers crypto creators to bring their ideas to life effortlessly. Your meme coin logo is a really important part of launching your coin. Make sure to resize your logo to 128 by 128 pixels and save it before moving on. The first thing people will notice, it needs to catch their eye right away. The cooler and more fun it looks, the more people will remember it. A simple way to create a great logo is to use popular memes that are already trending online. Just spend a couple of minutes browsing and you'll find a lot of ideas. For this example, I picked a funny and well-known dog meme. We have landed on Token Creator, and it's called tokenclub.fun. It provides an easy way to create tokens and explore trending coins on this platform, allowing users to easily discover popular and active tokens. Next, click on the Home button to return to the main page of the platform. The first step is to connect your wallet. Select and connect your Solflare wallet, and when the pop-up appears, simply click the Connect button to link it to the platform. Now click on the Create Token button. Here you will enter all the necessary token information. Type your token name as Degen dog and use the symbol dog. Now we will attach the token image. Once the image appears correctly on the screen, click the Next button to proceed. We are now at the tokenomics section. All settings are preset, so just click the Next button to continue without making any changes. If your social accounts are ready, add them here. For this walkthrough, I will skip it. At this step, you can add a creator tag and a launch page if you want. They sound good for now. I am using Let's Bonk, but you can use both Let's Bonk and Pump Fun for creating and launching your tokens. Each platform has its unique features and popularity within the Solana meme coin community. In the launch page, type letsbonk.fun as the platform. The revoke authority options serve as safety locks for your token. Specifically, Revoke Freeze prevents anyone from tampering with transactions, while Revoke Mint ensures that no additional tokens can ever be created. Just hit to the Create Token button. After completing the token creation process, a transaction pop-up will appear. Simply click the Approve button to proceed to the next step smoothly. This confirms your transaction and moves you forward in the token launch workflow. After completing the payment process, the system will upload your token image to IPFS and then upload the metadata to IPFS as well. If a warning pop-up appears, there is no need to worry, as this commonly happens with new wallets and does not affect the process. Our token has been created successfully. For those who are technically inclined, you can view your token's metadata on Panada. This serves as proof that your token has been legitimately created, and the information is securely stored on IPFS, providing assurance of authenticity and transparency. Now we will check our token on SolScan. Seeing your token listed on SolScan means it is officially live on the blockchain. At this point, you can check the total supply, monitor transactions as they happen, and examine all the detailed information about your token. Now, let's go back to the previous page and check our wallet to see the token balance. Here, you can see that we have received 1 billion tokens in our Solflare wallet. There is one final step before your token is ready for launch: adding liquidity. Without liquidity, your token cannot be traded. Setting it up is simple. click the Liquidity button to start. This will take you to Raydium's website. Now connect your Solflare wallet. To add your token, open the token field. Copy the contract address from Token Club and paste it into Raydium. Now, type your token symbol name dog and then the token name Degen dog. Click Add User Token from the drop-down menu. Next, select the quote token, which is the token your coin will be paired with for trading. Solana is the default and the safest choice on Raydium. Now type your quote token value as 0.3. Since the total token supply is 1 billion, you will add the maximum tokens to the liquidity pool. Then, click Initialize Liquidity Pool to proceed. Now click on the Approve button in your wallet to confirm the transaction. Once approved, finally Liquidity Pool has been created successfully, making your token ready for trading on Raydium. Once the Liquidity Pool is set up, our token will appear on Photon. Let's check it. The coin is officially live on Solana blockchain and tradable. Don't forget to check out the Portfolio tab on Raydium. It gives you a clear snapshot of all your coins and any open trades you have. That's also where your profits will show up when you're ready to cash out. Usually, your trade position pops up in the Liquidity tab within 3 to 5 minutes, but if it takes a bit longer, no worries, that's totally normal. Just chill and keep an eye on it. We have landed on the best meme coin promoter platform. Here you can promote your coin on popular tools like Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and Dex Tools. To maximize exposure and reach a wider audience of traders and investors interested in meme coins, now we will connect our Solflare wallet. You'll see a pop-up asking for confirmation. Click Connect button. Solflare wallet is connected. Next, copy the token address from Token Club and paste it here. Then click the Promote button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click the Approve button. We will upload our token logo here, which we created using Canva. Just wait a second here to pop up. Once the logo appears, then we will type our custom token name, Degen dog. Now, I'll choose the preferred theme Rainbow. I have entered the Meme Coin Week contest where I have a chance to win a prize of 1 Sol. Now click on the Generate Promotion site. Hold on a moment while our token page is generating. And there it is. Our token promotion site has been successfully created. Here is our valid token address for Solana blockchain. And we can promote our token on Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, and we can share our token on these social media platforms. With the help of this link, we can effectively promote our coin to a wider audience. Let's go and check our coin on the trading platform called Photon. Our coin is officially live on Photon. Our coin has seen remarkable growth on Coinbase, generating significant excitement that has driven liquidity up to approximately $15,000 and pushed the market cap close to $29,000. This surge demonstrates strong market confidence and active engagement from investors. The increased visibility on Coinbase has been a key factor in accelerating our momentum and expanding our presence in the market. Besides Photon, we can also check and trade the coin on other platforms, like Axiom Trade, Dex Screener, and various Dex terminals. When the market picks up, trying out new platforms might be a smart move. Photon connects smoothly with popular wallets like Solflare and Phantom, making it simple to buy, sell, and keep track of your coin in real time. We have reached the final stage. Refresh your page to update your balance. This is my updated balance. I have now connected my Solflare wallet successfully. As you can see, my balance has increased from $12,000 to $24,000. Navigate to the Liquidity tab on Raydium and locate your LP position. Click the minus sign and drag it to 100%. Click the button, Remove Liquidity, to move forward. You will receive a confirmation request for approval. Click the Approve button to continue. I have removed the liquidity successfully. Now I will check my wallet. Here you can see I have got decent amount of profit in just 10 minutes. You can also get the higher amount of profit if you'll follow these steps. Just a reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm just walking you through the process I personally follow to launch coins.